Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a special guest with me. I have my fiance.
Hello, hello.
As you guys have seen him in some of my vlogs. So yeah, my handsome, sexy fiance. So anyways, as you guys could see by the title, this is going to be the boyfriend tag. Finally. He decides to make it with me because he didn't want to make it with me. So yeah, I have questions from the actual tag, and also have some questions from people that had asked me questions about us. So yeah, and yes, I do say so yeah a lot, so don't even come at me. Yeah. So also FYI, if you guys hear the chickens and the roosters, you guys know they love to be in my videos, and we are filming outside. So yeah. The rooster's right there, just letting you guys know.
So yeah.
Shut up, babe. Okay, so let's just get started. So when's my birthday?
July 19th.
Yes. This time you did not say June, so that's a good. Where did we meet?
We met at your best friend's barbecue when she was going away for the military. That's where we met.
Yeah, oh, thanks to Leah.
Thank you, Leah.
5 years ago. What talent of mine do you love?
The talent?
Yeah.
And which one? Well, I love how you get creative with your videos. You know, you're very self-expressive. And also it takes a lot to get out of your comfort zone, so I'm sure that gets anyone out of their comfort zone. Like me, I don't like to be on video or anything. So yeah, it takes a lot to
So
do that.
this is him getting out of his comfort zone, pretty much. You guys, well, you girls know that guys don't really like taking pictures, videos. It's a marathon to get them to take a good picture. What eye color do I wish I had?
Hazel.
Yes, because I have cousins that they have hazel eyes. What do we love about each other? So you answer, like, what do you love about me and not what I love about you.
What I love about you? Well, I like how vulnerable you could be. And it shows me how much of a strength that is instead of a weakness. For us guys, being vulnerable is
You guys
scary.
You guys see it as weakness instead of...
But actually it's something all us guys have to face up to, and it's actually a real strength.
Yeah. And what I love about you is how much you care about other people, like my family, Nora. It shows me how great of a father you're going to be one day. Hopefully soon. What annoys us about each other.
What annoys me?
Yeah, about me.
Let me see. When we're about to hang up and it takes about 20 minutes to hang up.
I love you. I love you too.
Yeah, it's just ongoing.
Yes.
Yes, and when you wake me up when I'm trying to get some sleep.
You wake me up at 5. You woke me up today at 5 a.m.
Well, how's it feel?
Okay, I get it. Anything else?
No.
No. Only that I always try to wake you up, especially here at the house. When he sleeps over, like, for a couple of hours. I'm all like, babe, give me attention.
Attention.
Yes. And pretty much that's what annoys me. You just fall asleep. Which I understand. He works graveyards, so I understand he needs to sleep.
You understand, but you don't care.
Pretty much. Like, I need attention. Like, you come here to love me. I need love. I need love. What size do I wear?
Size 5.
And women, but kids.
3 kids.
Yes, I have small, skinny ass. What's my favorite cake?
Cookies and cream.
But other than that, I don't really like cake. So.
It's a trick question.
Yeah. But, I mean, I did have a cake last year for my birthday, and it was cookies and cream, and it was bomb.
Lucky.
Yeah. So, hopefully this year for my birthday, I could find it again.
Mm-hmm.
Exactly 2 more months till my said I love you first.
I did.
Yeah, he did. Through text, but I mean. Did you guys ever break up? If so, how many times?
Yes, we have once.
He broke up with me on Mother's Day. How fucked up is that? I'm gonna tell our kids every Mother's Day. I'm gonna be like, your dad broke up with me on Mother's Day.
Not if I tell them first.
So I've already told him that I expect a big bouquet on Mother's Day. And it was on the Mexican Mother's Day, so it was on the first Mother's Day. So, where was our first date?
Our first date, I'd say your birthday, when we just hung out and just went everywhere. We didn't really have a set place to go, but
We went to In-N-Out, because I wanted In-N-Out.
yes, being fat.
Yes, because I'm fat.
And then after that, we went to
Yeah, how did we start talking?
through Facebook.
No, you went up to me on the barbecue. You're the one who started talking to me.
It's like I was talking to myself.
I was shy, okay? But I was the one who found him on Facebook.
Like a creeper.
No, I mean, you were hot. Like, I needed to get that number.
Uh-huh.
Come on, I was the one who offered you my number too, so. What am I afraid of?
You're afraid of that grudge girl.
Yes.
No, but other than that, your fears are of abandonment, of losing people that you love.
Yeah. Yeah. So you better not leave me. You're stuck with my annoying ass. Yes. What are our nicknames for each other?
Nicknames?
Mm-hmm.
Other than Sweetie and Beautiful, my queen,
Babe,
my babe,
wifey,
yes,
hubby.
uh-huh,
Even though we're not married yet. Soon.
yeah.
So, yeah, it's just babe, baby, amor, mi vida, mi rey, me. When I miss him, me. What's my first song?
Your favorite song?
Mm-hmm.
Let me see. It's from Wisin and Yandel. I know that. Or Eminem.
All my favorite songs are from Wisin and Yandel.
That's a trick question too.
Yes. I don't really have a actual favorite song right now. Like, he knows that all I listen to is reggaeton, so mainly Yandel. That's why. Yes. When did we make it official?
Oh. October.
Yeah, it was on October 17. Because he was going to a rave that day. With your cousin.
Yes.
Yeah. Will you do his makeup? Will you let me do your makeup?
Makeup. Maybe if I'm like in a good mood and drunk and all that, yeah. Maybe if I'm asleep, you could get away
Like
with
those videos where the girlfriends are doing their boyfriend's makeup without them even knowing because they're sleeping.
it. Yeah.
Alright, I'll do that. Mm-hmm. No, but like for YouTube, will you let me do your makeup?
Oh, gosh.
Maybe.
I'll think about it.
Okay. I mean, he let me do his eyebrows right now.
Mm-hmm.
What's the first thing I do when I wake up?
You fart.
Yes.
Really loudly.
Yes.
And you take your morning poo.
Other than that, trying to embarrass me here.
Other than that, you text me. Good morning.
Yeah.
Yes.
I replied back because you text me first. And then social media.
Mm-hmm.
How long are you going to have your first baby? Like, I guess, like, how soon? Only time will say, pretty much. Soon enough. No, but seriously, like, only time will tell. What will we name him or her?
Him, Nathan.
Middle name?
Middle name?
Your middle name.
Oh, yeah.
So it'll be Nathan Albert Ruiz.
Reese.
And then for her, it'll be Aubrey Rose Ruiz.
Junior.
Junior. Okay, last question. Well, it's not a question, but yeah. Complete the sentence. My fiance is...
Is...
hella annoying.
All true.
Hey! My fiance is...
It's a good one, actually.
You have to think about it?
Mm-hmm. Is... because there's so many things. So many good things.
Oh, okay.
I gotta choose one. Is... a blessing.
A what?
A blessing.
I love you.
I love you.
That completes this video. So yeah.
Bye, thank you.
No, I need
Yes.
to.
Why can't I close? You started, let me close.
But what do I say in every video?
Bye, loves.
No, that's hello, loves. Alright. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys do want me to do another video with him, like me doing his makeup, or him doing my makeup first, and then I'll do his makeup probably. Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Do you want to do my video? Do you want to do my makeup in the next video?
Okay.
So yeah, if you guys do want me to have him do my makeup on the next video, just let me know in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up. Big thumbs up. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, comment down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video. Do you want to close it off?
Alright, guys, have a good day. Take care. Bye.